Okay, so I purchased this cable a couple days ago. Ark Survival Evolved, this game would always take me 4 to 5 hours to download. Ignore the current download speed, that's Steam being Steam, but when you look at that, I have never gone past 20 megabytes a second. Now with this cable, look at that. 403 megabytes a second. Look at this. If I pause this, bring up a speed test. Let me just bring this up and cover let's watch. Look at that. That is almost a 200 megabit per second increase. Close to 300 than what I typically get. Look at the upload. I would only get about 4 to 5, and now I'm getting almost 12. This cable, you need to get this cable. I mean, for, let's see, what did I get? I got the 8-foot cable for $10, $10.99. The best $10.99 I have ever spent. If you do YouTube, you will see your videos uploading so much faster. 4K videos are going to load so much faster. Maybe even 8K. Get this cable if you are either a content creator, gamer, or you love streaming movies. I promise you it will make a huge difference.